Okay, so let's get started. First, for the news, let's check why the pump is calm and is BTC going to break out, or this is just maybe a resistance hit and it's going to fall down. And the next thing I want to talk is about 𝗀𝗀, whether is he really arrested, and at last to see which trends can be coming in this week or this month. So let's get straight into the crypto bubble. Okay, so the first thing, I'm going on the weekly over here. The weekly here says CKB, the layer 2. Then OMG, we need to check on OMG. RLC, because RLC yesterday also was pumping. Let's see whether it's broke. We need to enter in that. BDK, then Ronan, HNT is down 37. We are not touching that. Cash KSH, LPT, we need to check on that also because last time also it was pumping. Okay, so now let's check on the daily. Okay, so the daily CKB, we need to check on gains. RLC, Magic is down. If Magic there was perpetual, we could have taken the short, because right now as you know, the Arbitrum airdrop is released, right? We need to check on that also. Celery, Luna, and why Luna is also down because of 𝗀𝗀 100%. Okay, so let's get into charts at first. So if yesterday you would have seen you would have seen, this is not my showing off, but this is like I told you so, right? So if you didn't have to buy it here, but this is the key area where it would have gone down or up, but it went up. Okay, so now it's the status call. Okay, so now let's check on the BTC chart. Okay, we should not forget about those guys. Okay, I'll just remove my drawings. Sorry, I'll just remove this, put a resistance here, put a resistance here at this area, then here another resistance, and now let's get straight into the charts. Okay, so this is the BTC's chart. Okay, y'all can't see. Let's say disable everywhere. Disable everywhere. Okay, so now y'all can see it properly, right? Okay, so now let's go on the 30-minute chart. And let's check where's the resistance hitting, and if it breaks certain areas it can go up. Okay, so till now it's on a bullish trend. Okay, so this is the 30. Let's see on the 1 hour. Let's make it final. Okay, so when I put a trend line, okay, so this is the area. Okay, so this the area is coming nicely, and the area. Okay, so right now this is the area. Okay, so right now it's on a upwards trend. Okay, so this is the area that everyone is talking about, and everyone will talk about this area because this area is a very key area. Okay, so at this area, the red mark. Okay, so this area it can go from here. If you want to short it, see. Okay, so first one I'll tell you about the shorts. Okay, so for the shorts, it should break this area. We don't short. Okay, if you want, you can short from here, from this area. When it breaks, you can short here, exactly here, and then you can take profit over here. Okay, your TP here. Okay, TP. If you are shorting, it's a small short. Okay, not a big short. Got it right? Only from this distance to here. That's a small short. But the main key area is this area. If you see it on this 4-hour chart, if you see it on 3-hour chart, you'll see it on 3-hour chart. You'll see this. Okay, so this is the 3-hour chart. Okay, so if it breaks this area, this line, okay, which is the small take profit from, from where, from year to year, the small take profit, you can do that. If it breaks it, you can take profits here. But if it breaks this key area, your take profit will be on this one, 24. I'll put it at green. Okay, so most of y'all will be knowing. So for now, you can play I can see it properly. Okay, put a nice text over here. Okay, so here this short. So I'll write here. Okay, small short, a small short t. Okay, so it's a small short, take profit over here. It's this line. Got it? I'll do it. See, it's this line. Okay, so it's this line. Okay. Then we'll check on the big one. Okay, so the big TP will be here. Okay. Now for the big TP, big. Okay, so for the big TP, smash the keyboard here. For the big TP is here. So the big TP is here. Okay, so for the big TP now, if it breaks this support, this area, it breaks, you can put the TP here. Okay, so remember. Now let's talk about the longs. Okay, longs. Now let's talk. Let's talk about the longs. Okay. Ah, by mistake, I'm just pressing the enter button. I don't know why I'm pressing the enter button. Okay, so you know that position. Okay, first so the longs, let's see. There's the previous resistance. Let's check on that. Let's go into 𝗶𝗺 chart. Let's check on that. Okay. Some other things that everyone can see. Previous resistance. The previous resistance. Okay, so I don't know why it's laggy, right? But forget. Okay, so if you can see here, after this support, after this resistance right now, which is being resistance over here, so this is being another resistance, this area. Okay, so more probably when it hit this area, it went over here. Okay, so you can see here, you can see from here to here it went. Let's check the previous one. If we are checking exactly where is the previous resistance. Okay, so the previous one over here, where you're right, the previous one it went over here. Actually, let's put it over here. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay. See, because it from here it went here. That's why I took a day. Okay, so for the next one is too good. Okay. Okay, so for now, okay, so now this is the longs. Okay, so let's go on a 1 hour chart. Just 60 minutes. Yes, 60. Let's check on this. Okay, so for now, for the longs, let's check on for the longs. Now let's talk about the longs. Okay, so for the longs, you can see right. It's the longs. Okay, so for the longs now, if it breaks this area, we don't enter here. It breaks this area, we enter here. Okay, this we enter. We don't enter here. We enter this area. Okay, if it breaks, put the stop loss anyway below. Okay, so if it breaks this area, it does that one hoop, and then next one will come maybe quick. Then you enter here, then it goes up, and then the next resistance big area is this. Next resistance big area. Let's put a 4 chart and show you. Next, take profit. You can put it around Here, this is I know it's a big number, but that's the area. Put your take profits here at this area, 39,000. Yeah, it can hit. Not a joke, because this time it's just pumping and it rested also for so long, right? So your long take profit, okay? The long take profit. And I'm going to take some small shorts and all for this, okay? So this is a long take profit. So everyone knows what is the range. It's around here. It's around 39. I'll put it at green, so you'll know. So it's here. 39,451 dollars. Okay, so that's your take profit for a Bitcoin. Okay, so it won't directly go there. You know now how it will go. It'll go like this. So it'll go like this. After going here, it'll go like that, like that, like that, like that. Maybe here for 2-3 days, then again breakout. Okay, so it will go that way. So now you'll know about the BTC chart. If it goes down, what place can I do? Now let's check it on the ETH chart. Okay, so the ETH, as always, if you want to see the yesterday's thing, yesterday's are decided that if it breaks this area, it's going down. Okay, so for now all this gets cleared. So now we know exactly where it's going to go. What is trying? Put here my here 1, here 2, here 3. Okay, so 3 is all white for now. Okay, I'll put this as red, okay, because first we'll talk about the shorts. The ETH is the same player. Okay, so the same as Bitcoin, but the same as Bitcoin. So first we'll talk about the shorts. Okay, so right now it's supporting, it's giving this resistance. Okay, here it's already broke out, but wait, I don't have to enter it now. Okay, so over here at this area, sorry, we'll put this here resistance area. Okay, so for right now, for this thing, this trade, if it breaks this area, yeah, okay, so if it breaks this area, everybody knows this area, we can short and we can take profit. Small short here. Okay, small short. We'll copy that thing. I don't have to rewrite again. So the small one. Yeah. So if you are taking a short, you have to take, if it breaks here, you take a small take profit. Your take profit will be here. Okay. So take profit base here. So we'll do that over here. Here, this is a small take profit. The same thing. If it breaks this one, if it breaks this area, we're talking about this area right now. This area. If it breaks this area, then you take your short. Take a big short. Okay. Let's go on a 4 chart and check the big short position. The big one will be here. Here only. Here. Here. Okay. So this is a small. The mega. Really, it's a mega, right? No, it's a big. Mega would be, I think, from a more range. The big short is here. Okay. All can see it, right? Here's a big short. The big short will be around 1630. If it breaks, huh? If. Remember, I'm saying if again. Not saying take. But if it breaks from here, you can take a small short here. Take profit here. Now, if it breaks that, if it breaks that, okay, so if it breaks that resistance, that area, it's going up. So if it breaks this area, let's see where can it go. Okay. So now we are here. It breaks that area now. Oof, this guy is so down. Take profit will be, I know I'm putting a big take profit, but if it breaks that area, it's more probably going here. Nowhere else is going to go. If it breaks there, it's going to go there. So you can put your big take profit here. Just on the PC, that's we might go. See. Okay, so on a daily, okay, watch out. Let's talk now about real business. Okay. Let's put here full screen. Take this green. Okay, let's delete this. Let's talk real business. Now let's talk about real business. Okay, so if it breaks this area, it will go straight. It will break this area, you go up like that, then here, okay, here you enter, here the previous resistance, then you put your longs, okay, then we go all the way to take profit at this area, okay, for TP. Don't forget why also I set at that big range, because there's your final, okay? Big longs TP, okay, remember TP is there, it's around 23,602, sorry, 2,362.60 cents, okay, so that's your big. The same for it goes once you check the BTC chart now. Once I check the BTC, the ETH, the avax, you know this avax. But the problem with these guys now, if if there's no narrative in these other coins, the money ain't flowing. So for avax right now, first money goes into avax, then it goes into avax, and it goes into that. You all know that money, it comes from first to BTC, then the money flows. Okay, so as now this is the avax chart. So the bar chart. Okay, so avax is showing weakness. Okay, so you can put your, let's check on the 30-minute chart. Okay, so avax ain't breaking. Every time I'm pressing that button, space button, I'm pressing that button and it's going to the next chart. You have to keep an eye on the buttons that I'm pressing. Okay, so now for this chart, avax, okay, so in 30 minutes time frame, so it goes here. Let's check on a 1 hour time frame. Sorry, 120. Let's check on a 2 hour time frame and see how it is. Okay, so for now, this key area, yeah. So now we know that if it breaks, okay, so this is the shorts, right? This is the longs, okay. If it goes It's a long, okay. If it breaks this area, which now it ain't going there only. So but if it does it, okay, if it breaks, it needs to break this area for you to long. You need to come to a higher high, and here you can buy. Sometimes it even goes like that up and it comes down. That also you need to know that. Okay, but you put your stop loss. Stop loss is the main. That's why I'm telling you about the stop losses. Is that if you okay, so from there, so from here, right? It's the long. So from here, goes to here, comes here, take profit here. Okay, don't go straight like that. Okay, it will go like that, then like that. Okay, so take profits is here, this area. Take profit. I'll just copy it from the previous one. Okay, you don't need to actually copy it. Just take this, export here, right here, take profit, TP. Okay, so I know your TP is here. The TP is around. This is the bullish case scenario. Okay, so the TP is around 20.15 cents. Okay, let's take that. If you're thirsty now, go to drink water because my mouth also gets dried. So I need to drink water. You are also feeling thirsty, drink some water. Not so serious. Okay, so now for the let's talk about the short position. Okay, so if it goes low, it's a short. Okay, if it goes low, it's more probably going in this area. Put it red. Okay, so right now, most of you guys know how it's going to play out. Most of you guys know, like, I know how it plays out. I'll tell you, no problem. Your boy is here. If it breaks this area, prepared. Okay, so if it breaks this area, you can see, right? If it breaks this area, small short from here to here. Okay, this area. Remember this area. 10. Sometimes you know what it does. See, I'll tell you exactly what it does. Which now it ain't doing, but I'll just tell you, let you know what this see. Okay, first I'll do that thing. Put a take profit here. Okay, so it's this. But sometimes you know what this thing does. See, sometimes you know what it does. It goes here like that again, and then it comes down. So that is you need to keep an eye. If it goes there, you don't have to re-enter it. Okay, just have to have patience. Got it right? It goes back again up. It hits, and it hits at this area, and it comes down back. So that once it hits your stop loss, we don't enter again. Once it hits your stop loss, you don't reverse trade. Okay, anger trade. Okay, so then your big take profit will be at this area. The small take profit $16.29, and your big take profit, which is around here. So big here. So you know a big take profit if it breaks this, if it breaks this area, going down here. Okay. So now we'll know about avax. Let's check now. Which one? Let's check. Let's check Solana. Then let's talk about Celery, Luna Classic. Then which one else is there? RLC. We should not forget about the RLC because sometimes we forget, man. I just forget. Okay, so the RLC one. Sorry, so this is the Solana one. This is Sol. The Sol right now is playing 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀. Okay, that's just a joke. But right now I'm just playing with everyone. I am going down. Solana is different. Solana is not like others. Solana is like Solana is like I ain't playing. I ain't pumping right now. So Solana, okay, so Solana breaks that thing. So for the bullish case, let's do it bullish ones. Let's see the previous resistance. This also can be a previous resistance. Then okay, so here now let's talk about the bullish case scenario. Let's talk about the trades that matter. Okay, so this is a bullish case. Okay, bullish. Why bullish? See if it breaks this area. Green. If it breaks this area, it's going here. You can put your small take profit to this area. Okay, if it breaks this area, small take profit. So what will be a small take profit at this area? Small take profit. See, now you realize that it's not the same for everyone, right? So a small TP is at this area. Okay, small TP is at around 23.43 cents. $20.40 profit. After it comes here, can re-enter here. If it goes up, it's going up, can hit it at this area. Okay, then next pick. Giant. Okay, so a big take profit is here. Okay, so now let's talk about the shorts. Buy shorts, it breaks this. Probably break, it breaks this. This is so normally okay, so okay, so for right now, for a short position, so if it breaks this area, it'll go here. Put your small take profit, small short. Okay, if it breaks, you can put it take profit here. TP. Okay, of shorts. This area. So what it is at $20.98. Okay, so that's for this. Then you know that if it breaks this guy, you're going to the next spot, which is at this area. 19 point. If it breaks this, only if it breaks this, then you check put here at 19 point there, 19.10. Got it? So this is for your Solana chart. Okay, so now let's actually really check which one is going up. Okay, so for the daily OMG. Okay, so for the daily, let's click it again. So now let's check on a daily. Oh, let's see RLC, because yesterday also RLC is pumping. I will be missing these trades. Okay, RLC. See, I think we Put RLC, yeah, we already put RLC. So let's check on now. And let's check on, oh shit. Okay. I don't know whether if it's study with the if it's trade was there. All this thing. Okay, so now, so right now RLC did that hoop, right? So we need to enter here. Okay, so now is the time to enter RLC. There is actually time. Okay, so the next take profit will be around here. There is no bearish in this. There is no bearish. Okay, there is bearish, but if it breaks this key, okay, so now right now it's here, right? This is RLC. Okay, most of people will be doing RLC. So if it let's check on the chart. You can understand. Okay, so this is the RLC one. Okay, so right now, okay, so yeah, so if it breaks this, it breaks this area. Next zone is here. Remember, okay, take profit. T P. This area. This area is what? $2.53. $2.53. Okay. Then if it comes down back, this is the short position. Okay, short position. So if it breaks, see, we don't enter if it breaks this. Okay, we enter if it breaks this area, this white line, okay, enter there. So the next short position if you're taking will be here. So take profit for short. I'll put TP circle S. Short, take profit short. You understand, right? So this is a RLC trade here. Take profit short. This line. If it goes there, if it goes up, if it gives a, see, when it now probably it will give this, it will give a hoop. Okay, give a hoop like that. Get red. Close it. See, give that hoop, and then here enter it here. Okay, then it's more probably going up. So RLC is looking tasty right now. It ends slowing down. Let's check on which one else we have to check. We have to check on OMG. Okay, SKL also will check. OMG. Ah, shit, OMG was here only. I'm like blind only. OMG was here, standing in front of me. Oh, OMG is just starting. OMG is just starting the day, man. Yeah, just starting. Oh, this guy goes where it's gonna go, man. If it breaks this resistance,